Hey guys, thanks for tuning into your review channel. Yes, an ASC 2600 drone. Here it is right here. I'm just flying it around. We're doing a test flight actually, and we're going to show you some video footage, and we're going to take it for a quick spin. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Let's go. Okay gang, thanks for tuning into your review channel. So we are outside test flying the Ascend ASC 2600 drone, and we have the remote here, we have the phone, we're all set to go. So what you want to do is, like I told you before in the last video, if you haven't seen it, the setup process is simple. The unboxing, take a look at that video. If you did not see that video yet, please go ahead and do so. So we saw the video, so now we're just going to do a test flight and just check out the quality of the camera and how it performs outside. So let's power up the drone. Hold the button down, it's blinking, so hopefully you can see that. Power up the remote. Okay, down, down, just like that, up and down, and it's synced. You can see it's solid. That means it's synced. So you can see that little light in the bottom right there? That light right there actually reads the like I told you in the last video, reads the distance of the ground. So you got 30 feet. It'll be pretty stable. After that, all bets are off. So just be careful when you're flying it and starting it out. And also, let's get up our app on the phone. Just make sure you're on your Wi-Fi is set up first. Get the drone. So the drone is all actually connected. That's all set to go. Go to the app. Okay, so like you see here, hit the start button. You can see here, so the drone is actually recording. You can see the camera moving, right? You can see that, so that's cool. And actually the camera's a lot better than the last one. A little jittery, again, it's probably low in frame rate, but it is what it is. So let's record video. It's in Chinese. I don't know why it's in Chinese. I'm not sure what's happening there, but whatever. Confirm. So it's recording. It's recording. So I have a micro SD card installed, and also it's recording on the phone at the same time, I believe. So we'll see. And let's take off. So the takeoff, let's see that. Is it hold down the takeoff button, just like I told you before. And let's see. Let's do the takeoff. And there you go. So the drone is now up and running. And you can see that move it forward into the shade more, so you can see here. So it is pretty stable. View cellular data. Okay. So you can see the drone is pretty stable. Take a walk around here. Actually, really nice drone. It's much better than the other one, the quality. Okay, and I'll do some cutaways for the camera. So I'm not going to go too far up because I don't want to get lost in the trees, but let's just see what happens. Let's just bring it up and see what happens. So you can see up there. And it's pretty stable actually, not bad. And I'm going to yaw left and right. Okay, and then you have your left, the yaw, which is the turning of the drone. You can see there how it turns. Let's back it up. Pretty stable, I have to tell you. A lot better than the other one. So it's got a 30-foot, let me just lower that a little bit and talk to you a little bit about that. So it's got a 30-foot range in the bottom of the sensor. So if you walk under the sensor, you can see that. So the sensor does definitely see what you're doing, but pretty good. You can see here, nice. Let's move it forward. Let's get some shots. And I'll just do some cutaways to the camera and do some voiceover. So let's do that right now. So it's a little unstable right now. So it is moving around in the air a lot. It moves back, so hopefully you can see it in the camera. I'm not going to go too high because I don't want to lose it. But it's pretty good. And let's bring it down. So it handles very well. You can see the camera quality is not terrible. So I'm going to continue flying it just a little bit more, and you can see here, it's not terrible. It's a little hard to control. You got to get used to it. Like I said, it's a beginner drone. So when it's 30 feet off the ground, it's pretty stable. Once you get up pretty high, I actually almost lost it a couple of times. So very, very careful, guys. Seriously. It's going to take off on its own, and then you have to wait till the battery dies, and hopefully it doesn't land in a tree. So some more shots with the camera. You can see here the camera angle. Again, not bad. The frame rate's probably low, but still 1080p. Definitely a little bit better than the last time. Not bad at all, actually. Not bad at all. Like it. No, it does lose range very quickly, so you definitely have to be careful. Don't go too high, because I definitely lost some signal. So you got to be very careful with that. Let's turn it that way. Let's try to get some shots this way. Let's do that. Let's go forward. Let's get some shots over this. So low and slow is really the way to go with this thing. If you're learning how to fly drones, this is definitely an awesome way of doing it. And I definitely think I recommend this drone. Definitely if you're starting out for like 70 bucks. Really nice. You can see here. Beautiful. Pretty stable when it's low. When it got high, it was starting to lose control. So be very, very careful with that part. Okay, guys? Very, very careful. Let's turn it around. Let's turn it that way. And let's try to go over the net. Try to get a cool shot. If we can get a stable shot with that without hitting it. Whoa. It's not like the DJI at all. I mean, it is what it is. It's like it's floating, it's blowing everywhere, but it's pretty cool. Actually, not bad. And there it goes, flying around. So, all right, guys. That's pretty good. I like it. The test is not bad. The camera quality is not bad, as you can see here. Not bad whatsoever. Not bad at all. Then you got the left, you got the yaw, right? Left and right, which is pretty good. That goes like that. You got the other way, the yaw. And then you got right and left. And then you got backwards and forwards, which work pretty well. And then you got the landing button. So you hit the button to land it. Let's hit the button, I'll show you. It's going to land automatically, just like that. All right, and if you want to take off, you hit it again, and it takes right off. Super simple. Hit the button again. Lands it. Take off again. Hit the button. Takes right off. It goes right up to, I would say about 5 feet. Yeah, about 5 feet. Okay, so this is more flying. This is just footage from the actual camera itself. You can see here, and I'm just fooling around, playing around with this, and it actually works pretty well. Almost got caught in a tree, so that was kind of scary. But the drone actually kind of beeped and did its own little thing, so it actually worked out pretty well. The quality of the camera, like I said, is not bad. If you enjoyed the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell, and watch all the other videos on this channel. There's a ton of videos going to be popping up here on this video. Watch this. Almost hit this tree. Oh, almost hit that tree. All right. Again, I have tons of videos, over 650 videos on the channel. Hope you enjoy everything you see here. I appreciate you always tuning in and subscribing. Okay, so that fills it up for me for now. That's about it. And I'm just going to do a little bit more flying around here and just to check it out and see what you think. I think this is a great little drone. It works perfectly. Check out all these videos on this channel. There's a bunch of videos popping up right now. Take a look at all those. Check out the other drone video. You can see that as well. Also have a DJI drone video as well. So I do a little bit of everything, and I really enjoyed the drones. The drones are really great. I love them. So if you like the drones, let me know. Leave some comments down below. That really helps me out quite a bit. I appreciate it, and I'll see you at the next one.